Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Wow, 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 woo, woo. Is it over, guys? We're seeing that, Bitcoin right now is, it did go below $30,000 briefly. It did go all the way down here. It did touch a low of 29,833. I mean, it has come back right now, so that is pretty good. So, what are we looking at? What are we thinking about for cryptocurrency? Everything is down. It's a huge bloodbath out there. A lot of people have given up hope, and they're just selling. And there is some hope, and we're going to talk about what that hope is in this video, guys and gals. And there is some hope, and at the end of the tunnel, and this hope could actually restart and reignite crypto going up, guys, because from my opinion, I don't think the billionaires are going to allow Bitcoin to get much lower than this. And as I have been talking about in my previous videos, we did see this this low all the way back here, when we were back at these levels. So, it's not unquestionable. It's not out of the realm of possibility that we could see Bitcoin go down to $29,000. And we haven't actually seen that. We did go below 30,000, but we did bounce back up. So that is pretty good. And you can see here on the 4-hour time frame that Bitcoin is trying to make a move to the upside right now, the time recording. Who knows? By the time you're watching this, it could reverse, guys. So, there's a lot of panic on the street right now. You can see that the fear and greed is at 10. We haven't seen these low levels for such a long time. Oh, it's amazing. I haven't seen this. And also yesterday we could see the U.S. markets took a huge hit. We saw the Nasdaq was down 4%. We saw the S&P was down 3%. We saw that the Dow Jones was down 1%. We're seeing right now that the overall crypto market is down almost around about anywhere from 6 to 7%. We're seeing that Bitcoin has bled out another 10% right now. I mean, it was at 12% earlier, so it has come back up a little bit since I woke up this morning. So that's positive. But will this hold? Is this a recovery, or is this just a little bit of a fake out before we continue ourselves going down to $29,000? So we'll just have to take a wait and see attitude out there. So some news that's coming in right now. You can see that Bitcoin exchange inflows hit 3-month high. So are we going to be seeing more downside? And we can see that the amount of Bitcoin that's been flowing back onto exchanges has hit a 3-month high. And that is because there's a huge sell-off right now. People are actually panicking. I mean, the retail investors, they're just panicking like madmen out there. We're also seeing that, over 1 billion liquidations happened in the last 24 hours. And this is a huge amount of liquidations, guys. A huge amount of liquidations, and this was like almost 800 million longs and 202 million shorts got liquidated. So the market makers are just having a field day. But there is some hope. There's some hope at the end of the tunnel. I'm going to show you what that is. So keep watching. Remember that none of this is financial advice. This is just the OG expressing his opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, guys. So guys, cheer up. It's not a total disaster out there. It's pretty close to one, but it's not a total disaster, guys. Also, this is not looking good, pretty good. Microstrategy goes underwater in its latest Bitcoin crash. So, the largest Bitcoin holder is in the red right now. So, basically, MicroStrategy, once Bitcoin dipped below 30,330, they're in the red, because what happened is MicroStrategy's their average is 30,700. So hopefully right now, it's 31,000. So we're making some moves, guys. So it looks like MicroStrategy is out of danger right now, but it's getting too close for comfort if I'm MicroStrategy. But I believe that the billionaires and people like Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy, they're not going to allow Bitcoin to tank. I still believe that $29,000 is the absolute bottom, and I don't believe that we're going to be going lower than that, guys and gals. So, liquidations, insane. Also, as you guys can see, many narratives are being tested right now, and from my perspective, we're seeing that there's a huge battle going on right now at the $30,000 level. So hopefully we'll recover, and so far we are seeing a little bit of a pump. We're back up to $31,000 from our low of $29,833. So that's pretty good, guys. So hopefully that will hold, and hopefully it's not just some kind of fake out that's going to all drive us nuts in the house. So So, as Plan B has said, at an intense battle, there's an intense battle right now at 30K. Some liquidity just got pulled. All signs are that we are going lower. Market sell order pressure seems to be overwhelming limit order buy orders on market by volume. So it looks like, the market sell orders are much higher than the limit buy orders right now, and that's going to create more pressure, and that could push the biddy down, guys and gals. But let's take a look at this, guys. If we go back historically, we can see that Bitcoin drawdowns from all-time highs. We saw that we have seen these. We have actually seen these before. In 2020, we had a 57% drawdown. In 2021, we had a 54% drawdown. The all-time highs are 65 to 69K. So right now, we're at a 53% drawdown from all-time highs. But we did bounce back. In 2021, we did have a huge drawdown. But we did bounce back. We did absolutely come back. You all know that. So, I still believe we got this double bottom is coming in, and and I believe that we're getting higher lows on these double bottoms right now, because we did go as low as 29K, about 29K last year, and we did bounce up the upside. We did form an all-time high. So could this pattern be forming again? Could we be seeing ourselves going up? I think so. I'm positive. I'm still positive, even though sure, my portfolio is looking pretty nasty in the house right now. It's not looking good, but these drawdowns are not too unusual, and we could be seeing a reversal coming in soon. But there is light at the end of the tunnel. Here's the light, guys. As I've been telling you, on Wednesday we got the CPI core data, and the estimate on the streets is 8.1%. So that's going to be a considerable improvement from last month's data. We're seeing some of the job data is positive. We're seeing some of the consumer prices are settling and kind of going down a little bit. So if we could see on Wednesday the CPI data is positive, this could have a big impact. This could be the jolt that will send the markets uppity up, and this could start the recovery, guys. So let's hope this happens. There is light at the end of the tunnel, guys. Do not panic out there. Absolutely do not panic out there. Also too, Bitcoin having each epoch is about 4 years long, and 210,000 blocks. So we're about halfway through. We're about halfway through our epoch 3, or the fourth halving out there. So what I'm saying to you guys is, worst case scenario, absolute worst case scenario, where you're just going to have to hold to 2025. That's it, guys. But I still believe that we're going to get a recovery coming in. And sometimes you need to just zoom out. Wendy Trendy is your friendy. And you can see that if you go back to 2011 here, and you look, overall, we've had some peaks and valleys, but the overall trend is pretty positive. ARK Investment, Cathy Wood, is saying that we're near the end of the bear market and predicts explosion in blockchain technology. So she's being pretty positive. She's saying that we're going to be seeing the bottom very shortly, and when that happens, we're going to see a huge explosion in blockchain technology, and we just need the markets to reset. And I think the markets are resetting, and I'm hoping that Wednesday will be the huge catalyst that will take things higher and higher, guys. So don't give up hope. This is absolutely a good time to be buying the dips, guys. Absolutely be buying the dips. Bitcoin, are you ready for a huge 2022 pump, guys? I'm ready. You guys should get ready. And I think that, we are going to be going up, guys, and I think that we're going to have a reversal coming in pretty soon. So that is pretty positive. And more positive news, the Bukalele, El Salvador, they just bought 500 more Bitcoin, and that is cool beans in the house. Some other negative news is we're seeing that the Luna USDT is tankety tank, has become unpegged. So guys, if you're holding Luna, watch out, guys. We could be seeing a huge tank, and Luna has gone down almost 50% in the last 24 hours, so that's not good, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. It has broken down from my parallel channel. That is not positive at all, but I believe that we are hitting the bottom, and we're going to, as Cathy Wood said, we're going to have a reversal coming in. Now, Bitcoin has gone into my blue box, and every time we go into these blue boxes, we often see a reversal to the upside. So, we have entered the what I call the reversal zone. So that is pretty good. And I think that, we're going to reverse the upside, and we're going to start to see a huge recovery coming pretty soon. You guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna love it, guys. So it's gonna be fantastic. So don't be a negative Nancy out there. Be positive. Wait for that reversal, guys. Absolutely wait for the reversal. If we take a look at Ethereum right now, Ethereum is also, well, if you take a look at the Dogecoin right now, so Dogecoin is not looking good right now at all. Dogecoin has broken down below 10 cents, and now it's sitting at a 10-cent support level. So we're around about a support level is around about 10 cents right now for the Doji Wojer. We did have some positive news yesterday, and that positive news was that the 455 million websites are now accepting Doge's payment. So if you have a WordPress website, you can use Dogecoin to accept payments. So that's pretty cool catalyst. But it didn't cause any spikes for the Dogecoin at all. It just kind of nothing happened because Dogecoin is being trapped because of Bitcoin, guys. So that is what's going on with that. And we have broken down below my white support, and that is not good. That is absolutely not good. So you can see that right now Dogecoin is free falling, and that's just terrible, guys. That's all I gotta say about that. The markets are not looking good. We're seeing that Ethereum is still being supported at the $2,200 level. So that is that's pretty good from that perspective. And we can see that Ethereum is trying to come back a little bit right now, as is Dogecoin, and we're seeing that we're getting a little bit of a pump, guys. I can't say it's a recovery. We're seeing Solana is also up slightly right now. It's like $65 in the house. So we're getting a little bit of a pump. Hopefully this is not some fake out, and this is just going to be another drawdown that's going to take us going down, down. We're seeing the market cap right now is at 1.44 trillion, and the volumes are insane, guys. Wow, insane. There's a massive panic sell-off right now, so this is not good. We're seeing the Bitcoin dominance is also going up, guys and gals. So right now, for the price of Bitcoin, it's down 9%. So it's better than where it was before. It's down 12%. Ethereum has come back a little bit too. It's at down 8.34%. We're seeing that BNB is, it's still above 300. So thank God for that. It's down 13%. So it's complete carnage out there. Remember, none of this financial advice. Solana is down 16%. It's getting crushed, guys. Luna is actually getting crushed right now. It is down 40%. Wow, woo. And that's because of the Luna USDT stablecoin has been unpegged, and it's just getting crushed right now. People are selling Luna off like crazy, guys. The Doge Wojer is down 16%. Wow. Doge's getting hit, and it's just a bloodbath out there, guys. It's just nasty. It's gnarly. It is not good out there at all. So, zoom out, guys. Wendy Trendy is your friend. Guys, do go follow me on my Twitter. I know that you guys are not feeling good. I know that you don't want to smash the likes. I know that you guys are not feeling good. But, there is light at the end of the tunnel, guys. The CPI data, I believe, if this thing comes out positive, better than expected, or even in line, it's going to be enough to jumpstart the markets, guys, and it's going to send us higher and higher. If you would be so kind, check out the links. We got a Dogecoin Tip Jar. Become a Patreon member, buy the channel a coffee, guys, and check out the merch. I know you guys are not in the mood for buying merch and that you guys are just like, what the heck is going on? But there is light at the end of the tunnel, guys. Absolutely, there is light. Absolutely. We're seeing a little bit of a bit of a relief pump right now. We are seeing some green right now at 31,000. So hopefully this can hold, and this will continue for the rest of the day here in Asia. So guys, this is the OG, the Ric Flair. I want to say God bless you. I know you guys are panicking. I know you guys are not feeling good, and I just say I'm feeling the pain too. My portfolio is down. I'm not looking good, but I'm not selling a damn thing. I'm holding strong, guys. I'm keeping strong, and actually I'm buying the dips, guys. So dollar cost average, buy the dips, hodl. Keep the faith, guys. Worst case scenario, we got to wait till 2025. That's all I got to say about that. Peace out, guys. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.